everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete images from ChatGPT Library. If you've got too many images cluttering your ChatGPT Library, in this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to delete images step by step. So, whether you're freeing up space or organizing your content, make sure to watch until the end for a few helpful tips most users overlook. So, start by launching ChatGPT on your phone or computer. Then log into your account and make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right images. Next, head over to your library or image section. So you can usually find it in the sidebar on desktop, in the menu or profile section on your mobile, or inside chats where your images were created. So if you don't see a library option, open a previous chat with images, or you can also click on more right here and tap on images. Now in here, what you can do is to scroll down and go to My Images and you will see all your images right here. Now browse through your images and select the one you want to remove. So just click or tap it to open the full view. For example, this one, I'm going to open that. Now once the image is open, click on the three dots at the top right. Now in here, tap on Open in Chat. And next, what you can do is to click on the three dots again at the top right and tap on delete right here. So you will see four options. So you have start a group chat, pin chat, archive, or delete. So you need to click on delete, confirm your action, tap on delete once more, and the chat and image will be deleted. So keep in mind that deleted images are permanently removed and they can't be recovered. Images may still appear in chat history unless you delete the entire conversation. Now, for full cleanup, you can remove both the image and the chat. So, to save time, delete chats that contain multiple images. Regularly clean your library to stay organized. And that's basically it. Now you know how to delete images from your ChatGPT library step by step. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.